Okay, for number 7, it says Cecilia and Joe, right? So our let statements. I'm going to abbreviate, but you need to write them all out. So C is Cecilia's age now. And let J, right? J, Joe's age now. Right? Okay, so now I'm just going to translate. Cecilia is C equals 24 years younger than Joe, so J minus 24. There's the first equation. Then it says 6 years ago she was, so 6 years ago she was C minus 6, right? She was half as old as he was, half as old as J was 6 years ago, as Joe was 6 years ago. So there's our two equations. The bottom one I'm going to simplify. C minus 6 equals 1/2 J minus 3, right? So C equals 1/2 J, add 6 to both sides, plus 3, right? So now the two equations. C equals J minus 24, and C equals 1/2 J plus 3. So again, they're set up nicely for equal value methods. So J minus 24 equals 1/2 J plus 3. I can subtract 1/2 J from both sides. So I get 1/2 J minus 24 equals 3. I can then add 24 to both sides. And then I can multiply both sides by 2, right? So J is 54. And then we could take this equation, right? And we could get C equals 54 minus 24. So C equals 30, right? So then we would write Joe is 54 years old and Cecilia is 30 years old.